today is January 12th, 2024, and these guys are almost 1 day old. We started out with one yesterday, then two, and we ended up with 5. And they're all healthy, and they're beautiful. Mama had to go eat and drink and go potty, so I thought this is a good time. Look at them moving around. We live outside Richmond, Virginia, and all of these little cute kittens are up for adoption. But we will let you know. This is the only one that looks like Mom, only lighter, because she is a blue Russian. But aren't they pretty? Okay, bye.